It's time to make another dinner. Today, spaghetti and meatballs. Yum, 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 yum. First of all, we need to some water for the pasta. Stop. That's enough. Let's see if I can carry this. Now we need to turn on the stove. Like that. It's gonna take a while, so we put this on. Like that. Hurry up, water. Let's see, we're gonna do some meatballs today. So, first of all, we need to check if we have all the ingredients. Meat, yes. Egg, yes. Onion, yes. Okay, let's look like we have it all. We need some breadcrumbs. Some breadcrumbs. I don't know if I have breadcrumbs. I don't have breadcrumbs. We make our own breadcrumbs here in Sweden. No, actually we have prepared, but not today. Today we make it from scratch. It's always better to do it yourself. Let's take this one. Oh, it's so pretty. And we need some water. Water. Look, we have breadcrumbs already. We're ahead of schedule. Give me one of those. Now make crumbs of it. You need 1 deciliter of breadcrumbs. There. Now we have the breadcrumbs ready. Let's see now. We need 1.5 deciliter milk. And 1.5 deciliter. Close yourself door. Open yourself door. No. Let's see if we can open the milk. Let's be over here instead. I'm so stupid. Let's open the milk. Oops. Don't fall over, milk. Don't open yourself, milk. Why won't you open yourself? Why are you so angry? Like that. That was easy. Now to the hot pot. Oops. 1.5. I think that's 1.5. Now that's gonna be there for a little while and cozy itself together. And we need some salt. Yes, we need some salt. Let's not wait. Let's make this fast. We need one. Voila! That's enough. That's enough, said an old man. We need some black pepper. Do we have black pepper? I don't know. We got some white pepper. No black pepper. Bad black pepper. Okay, we take this black pepper instead. It's not the same, but it's still the same. You know what I'm talking about. How the fuck am I supposed to open this? Come on, wherever you are. My God, that was harder. Like so. That's enough. Lul, 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 lul. Let's take something to wisp with. Wisp, 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 wisp. It looks so tasty. We need 1 onion. 1 onion. We don't need the whole onion, we just need half. Milk, stand over there and cry. 1 onion. It's supposed to be 2 onion. Let's take a knife. Oh, that's the wrong knife. Let's take the big knife. That's enough. Let's chop it up. In small pieces. It's always better in small pieces. Many people cry when they're doing this, not me, I'm hardcore. That's enough. Num num. The rest of the onion we can save for another day. Now we need this. Open it up. Put it in the other things. Clean up. And we need 1 egg. I like eggs. 1 egg. 1 egg. Let's see if we can do this a little bit better than last time. Nom 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 nom. 1 egg. That's enough. It looks like I'm drooling. So now the meatball things is ready. So now we're gonna mash it together. Mash it all together, or you will be lost forever. Yum, 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 yum. It's very important to do these things when your parents are home, so you don't hurt yourself when you're cutting the onion. And so they can stop you if something goes wrong. It looks so tasty. Don't you just want to eat it all up? I know I do, because I'm tasting it all the time. It feels like I'm forgetting something. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. It feels like I'm doing it, but I'm not. Almost ready now. Oops. I pressed the rec button. Sorry for that. The water is starting to get hotter. It's starting to smoke. Let's put the fan on. And we need this one. And now we can start rolling balls. You like rolling in the balls? I love to roll in the balls. It's a song I made back in the 70s when I was young and had long white hair. Now it's all short. Check it out. I'm bald. Almost bald. Let's roll it up, baby. We need some butter. Butter, butter, come over here. Roll. 1, 2, 3 balls. It's really easy. 5 balls. You should take help from your child or maybe a friend so it goes faster. I'm pretty slow. 6 balls. 7 balls. 8 balls. 9 balls. 10, 11, 12. 13, 14 maybe. I don't remember. And here's the 1 ball too. Let's put them everywhere. It's easier to do it yourself. Nom, 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 nom. I cleaned here before so it's not dirty. There. Let's see if it's starting to get hot. It's not because I haven't turned it on. Blah, blah, blah. Now it's on. Now we have to wait so we can do 1 more ball. 1 more ball. Four balls. Yum, yum, yum. The door closed itself. Good door. Let's clean myself. Yum, 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 yum. I love the water. Oh, toothbrush. Now I'm clean. I'm like a new sheep. Let's see if it's hot now. It's not hot yet. Oh, but this looks hot. Oh, that was really hot. I'm still smoking. So now we put the pasta in. Pasta, pasta. Whoop. That was easy. Some olive oil. The pasta don't get much together. Blah, blah, blah. Like that. Whoops. A bucket. I put it over here. And now we have lots of meatballs. Wonderful meatballs. Are you warm yet? Ah! I think it's warm now. So let's put some butter in. Butter, butter. I love it, butter, butter. I got wet myself. I think I wet myself with boiling water. Hakuna Matata. No, that's a Disney reference. Don't take that in the vlog. Maybe Disney will come and take the vlog away. That's not good. So, what am I looking for? I'm looking for something fun. No, I'm looking for this one because we're gonna make some sauce. It's good. And now we're gonna put some meatballs in. Some of the meatballs. Like that. That's the first batch. Then we're gonna do the rest. Oh, here's one more. Let's go up. Shattered balls. Like that. Let's see, we need some heat here. Like 4. We're gonna put some high fat. High fat. No. Oh, it tastes really good. Oh, look at this. It's starting to get ready. Now we need one of these. It's a taste thing. Whoops. 5-second rule. A new 5-second rule. Now we just have to open this. I hate opening things. It looks like brown rice. Bajs is another word for poo in Swedish. Let's put that in. Bloop, bloop. It's in. We need to turn this. It's special. I can't wait to eat this. It's gonna be so good. So super good. And we need some flour. How much flour, you ask? Well, let's take this one. One of these is enough. Flour, more flour, and that will be enough. You should turn it around. Like that. Oh, looks tasty. I think we can do some more now. More butter. Butter is always good with butter. And let's put in some more. That was weird, but now the soya is in. Oh, it looks good. Now we put the ready ones in there. Like that, so it gets taste from the meatballs. And in with the rest of the meatballs. Like that. I think we need some more butter. Butter. It's important to have lots of soft butter. It makes things taste really good. It was easier doing the scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs was easy and not so long. But this looks really tasty, so I can't wait to eat. Don't forget to turn this around or you will have a bad sauce. Maybe lower it on. No, it looks really good. Let's see how the pasta is going. If it sticks to the wall, it's done. It's not done. So now we can clean. Clean. Oh, we're gonna need you. No more butter now. Butter is going back. Let's turn this around some more. And turn these. Like that. Oh, it looks really good. Now it's just this side and it's done. Can't wait. Oh, we need this. Now that's ready. And we need something to eat on. We're done with the flour. Thanks for a good service, flour. Close yourself, door. Close yourself, door. Bed doors. Close yourself, door. Close. No, wait. We need something to drink from. What we gonna drink today? Maybe a beer? We love beer. Beer, come over here. 5-second rule. Nom 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 nom. I love beer. Don't it looks really good? Yes. It tastes real good too. We need some more tea. So it's starting to boil. Close yourself, door. Let's see how this is going now. You know the rule, if it sticks, it's done. It didn't stick this time either. Maybe if I taste it. It's pretty much done. Maybe 2 more minutes, no, 1 minute, 1 minute and 12 seconds. This is starting to see, get ready to. And this is starting to boil. Then we will take some water. Why water, you ask? It's a good question. It's all going into here. Turn off the stove and turn this around some. Maybe with a fork it's easier. Maybe taste. Nom nom nom. Oh! Don't forget to turn off the water and to take off the pasta. Like that. Put some pasta on the plate. Like that. Now we need to turn this around. Turn everything off. And voila! We have made pasta, spaghetti, and meatballs and sauce. Nom nom nom.
Subscribe.